So look at the question. It is very simple. Okay. So this question they have given up the Vivo model, Oppo model, Lava, Redmi, Nokia. You might have heard all these type of brands of mobile. Okay, so right. And what the question means? What is the ratio of difference? So before that I tell you, in this graph, wherever you find the triangular mark with the cross line, that is called total sale of the mobile. And wherever you find square mark over the cross line, that is the cost of each mobile. Okay. So the difference of number of Nokia mobile. The ratio of, listen here, the ratio of difference of number of Nokia mobile and Love mobile sold to the means what always you have to use the slash or is to, okay, to the ratio of Redmi mobile and the Vivo mobile sold, okay, that is the question mark, okay. Now listen here, what's the difference of number of Nokia mobile and Love mobile sold? So how many? So listen here, Nokia, where is it, right? Nokia mobile. So what is this cost? So cost represented by the, that means what, square. Sale means it represents in the form of a triangle, is it right? So how many mobile for Nokia it is in the sold? That means what it is, 30, is it right? So 30, you get it. And then difference means you require minus, right? And Lava, you go to Lava, how many mobiles sold out? So it is that triangular mark, is it right? That is called what, 15. So you have to take the 15, okay. So 30 minus 15 divided by, it's a very simple question, okay. And you take the Redmi mobile sold out. So how many Redmi mobile sold out? This is not sold out, this is number of mobiles, right? Sold out, because look at the Redmi means you have to look at the straight line. Nokia means Nokia straight line. Lava means Lava straight line. Oppo means Oppo straight line. Vivo means Vivo straight line. This way you have to state it, okay. So take out the Redmi mobile, how many mobiles sold? So look at this triangular mark, that is about 45, is it right? So I have to take the 45 and then afterwards minus how many Vivo mobile. So this is a triangular mark, is it right? Total number of mobile is 30. Out of that it is sold is 10, is it right? So 10 you have to get. So automatically you get 30 minus 15 and it's divided by 45 minus 10 is about 35. So if you find a ratio, what is the ratio actually? So 3 5s are 15 when you divide it by 5, okay? Divided by 7 5s are 35. Yeah, I told you already, is it right? In the previous YouTube video also I told, either by or you represent colon. So 3 is to 7 is will be the answer. You can easily tick mark. Okay, very simple question. Please follow all of my videos. It will be getting a above 90 in the GATE. Okay, thank you very much.